Tired of messy countertops cluttered with dripping spoons and spatulas? The Utensil Pot Clip promises a cleaner, more organized cooking space by holding all your kitchen tools securely right on the edge of your pot or pan. No more balancing utensils on plates or risking burns from hot handles. This clip keeps everything in place while letting excess drips fall back into the pot, not on your stove or counters. What makes this clip stand out is its smart design and durable materials. Made from heat-resistant silicone and stainless steel, it withstands temperatures up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, 250 degrees Celsius, so you can trust it even during the hottest cooking sessions. The flexible opening fits virtually every utensil handle shape, while the small rubber projections grip tightly to prevent slipping. It's dishwasher safe too, making cleanup a breeze after you're done cooking. I've seen firsthand how this little gadget changes the kitchen game. Like many home cooks, I hated juggling dripping spoons or setting them down on messy surfaces. The Utensil Pot Clip clips on effortlessly and holds my utensils firmly, letting sauces and liquids drip right back into the pot. It's saved me from burns and ruined utensils more times than I can count. Plus, it's become a favorite gift in my family, perfect for anyone who loves cooking but hates the cleanup. If you want a simple way to keep your kitchen tidy and your cooking tools within easy reach, this is worth a look. It's a small investment that pays off every time you cook. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your kitchen routine and enjoy less mess and more ease. Ready to say goodbye to countertop clutter and messy stovetops? The Utensil Pot Clip is your go-to kitchen accessory for a cleaner, safer cooking experience. Grab yours today and see how much smoother meal prep can be.